Now we will see some problems of the sphere. Okay, so find the equation of the sphere whose center is at the origin and radius is 2. Okay, so this is one line question, actually one line answer question. So what we will do, we will erase the word find and just write the solution is what? Solution: the equation of the sphere whose center is at origin and radius 2 is, this is the solution. Now this is what? X minus 0 square, y minus 0 square, z minus 0 square is equal to 2 square. This is the bicenter radius form equation of the sphere. So this is what? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. This is the standard sphere. This is the standard sphere. The standard sphere means what? A sphere whose center is at origin is called a standard sphere. This is the equation of the standard sphere. Okay, so that means the equation of the sphere passing through origin and having radius r1. Okay, and having radius r. Okay, next, find the equation of the sphere whose center is 2 minus 3 minus 4 and radius 2. Again the same thing here. You have given the center, you have given the radius. By center radius form you can find the equation of the sphere. So okay, so therefore solution: the equation of the sphere whose center is at this and radius 2 is what? So x minus 2 square, y plus 3 square, z plus 4 square is equal to 2 square. Okay, so this is what? X square plus y square plus z square. I always write x square plus y square 0. Okay, write the middle term now. This is 4x plus 6y plus 8z plus 8z, and the constant is 2 get cancelled. These 2 square get cancelled. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a straightforward question. Maybe ask for the competitive exam or this online exam. Okay, next question: find the equation of the sphere passing through the origin and making equal positive intercept 5 units of the axis. Again this is one line, because you have given the intercepts. A, B, C are the intercepts. You know that the sphere passing through origin having intercepts A, B, C on the coordinate axis. Then the equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus x minus by minus cz is equal to 0, because the sphere passing through origin. Now here the ABC is equal to 5. So directly we can write the solution. Okay, the solution. Okay, the equation of the sphere passing through the origin and making equal positive intercept 5 units on the axis is direct. Okay, this is very simple. So this is what? Minus 5x minus 5y minus 5z is equal to 0. Okay, so the problem is over now here. Okay, this is very simple. This is the direct question, direct answer question. Okay, so take the care of such type of the problem for the online exam or competitive exam or MCQ exam. Okay, so next, find the equation of the sphere passing through the points 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 0, and whose center lies on the line x upon 3, y plus 1 upon minus 2, z minus 2 upon 2. Okay, so x upon 3, y plus 1 upon minus 2, z minus 2 upon 2. Points are 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, solution. So now here the idea of the center is given. Okay, so what we will do, we will find the center, and these 2 points are on the sphere. That means from any distance. Okay, you can find the distance from these 2, 3 or 1, 1, 0. So you will get the radius of the. Once you got the radius and the center of the circle, you are ready to find the equation of the sphere. Okay, so what we will do, we will find the center of the sphere first. Okay, so let O U V W be the center of the sphere passing through A 2, 3, minus 1 and B 1, 1, 0. We'll take the benefit of the line later on. Okay, so therefore OA is equal to OB. Therefore OA square is equal to OB square. Okay, so we'll write OA square now. U minus 2 bracket square, V minus 3 bracket square, W plus 1 bracket square, U minus 1 bracket square, V minus 1 bracket square, W minus 0 bracket square. Okay, so this is what U square minus 4U plus 4 V square minus 6V plus 9 minus 6V plus 9 plus W square plus twice W plus 1 U square minus twice U plus 1 V square minus twice V plus 1 plus W square. Now U square, V square, W square get cancelled. Okay, U square, V square, W square, they get cancelled. So we'll collect the U now. This twice U there, so this is minus twice U. We'll collect V now. So this is what, minus twice V plus V, so minus 4V. There is no W, so twice W is equal to. Okay, so here the constant is 2 and here the constant is 4. 4 plus 10, 14. So 2 minus 14. Okay, so 2 minus 14 is minus 12. We'll divide by minus 2 now. So this is U plus twice V minus W is equal to 6. Is equal to. We are dividing by minus. Okay, yeah, take the care of this. Okay, now your O UVW lies on the line x upon 3, y plus 1 upon minus 2, z minus 2 upon 2. So therefore we have U upon 3, v plus 1 upon minus 2, w minus 2 upon 2 is equal to r. Say, so therefore U is equal to 3r, V is equal to minus twice R minus 1, and W is equal to twice R plus 2. Okay, you get the value of UVW in terms of a single variable. So what we will put? We will put this UVW in the equation 1. You get equation in R, and we will find the value of R. Again we will put the value of R. You get the coordinates of the center. Okay, so 1 implies your U is what? 3R. Plus 2 times V. Your V is what? Minus twice R minus 1. Minus W. Your W is what? Twice R plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so take care of this one. Okay, so this is 3R. This is minus twice R minus, so minus 6R. Okay, so this is minus 3R now. Minus 3R. Okay, their constant is 6 now. This constant is what? Minus 2. This constant is minus 2. Minus 2, so minus 4. So minus 4 is shifted to that side, that is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So R is equal to minus 10 by 3. R is equal to minus 10 by 3. So we'll put R here. So therefore U is equal to 3R, means minus 10. V is equal to, so take the care of everywhere now. If you make a mistake somewhere here, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, so you have to take the care everywhere now. So minus twice R means 10 by 3 minus 20 by 3. This is minus twice R means 20 by 3 minus 1. So this is what? 17 by 3. Okay, so W is equal to twice R, just minus 20 by 3 plus 2. So this is minus 14 by 3. minus 14 by 3. So you got the center. Okay. So therefore O minus 10, 17 by 3 minus 14 by 3 is the center of the sphere. Okay. So radius is equal to, radius I will find from B now, because for B this is 1 1 and also this is 0 also. We'll take the benefit of that 0. So radius is OB is equal to root of. Okay. No need of this one now. Okay. So OB is what then? Minus 10 minus 1 square. 17 by 3 minus 1 square. Then minus 14 by 3 minus 0 square. Okay. Okay. So now we are not simplifying this. Okay. By center radius form, equation of sphere is what? X plus 10 bracket square, y minus 17 by 3 bracket square, z plus 14 by 3 bracket square is equal to r square. So this is what? Minus 10 minus 1 square, 17 by 3 minus 1 square, minus 14 by 3 square. Okay. Now see here, 10 square, 17 square by 3 square, 14 by square. This is r here. They get cancelled. So only we have to collect the middle term and the last term. Okay. So that is what? X square plus y square plus z square plus 20x here, minus 34 by 3 y plus 28 by 3 z. Okay. So don't collect this 10 square and this. They get cancelled now here. So now here what? The term 10 square get cancelled. The middle term is what? Just 20. The square of this one 21. Okay. So the square of the middle term is what? Minus 34 by 3. Minus 34 by 3. Okay. The middle term. Okay. Plus 1. And that get cancelled. Okay. So this is what? I can multiply by 3 now. So this is what? 3x square, 3y square, 3z square plus 60x minus 34y plus 28z is equal to, so this is what? 22. This is what? 22 into 3. 22 into 3 is what? 66 minus 34. So this is what? 3x square plus 3y square plus 3z square plus 60x minus 34y plus 28z minus, so this is 32 minus 32 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the sphere. You can verify this whether these 2 points satisfy the equation or not. Okay. So if these 2 points do not satisfy the equation of, so that means you made a mistake somewhere. Okay. So you can check this. Okay. You can verify this is correct or not. Just put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to minus 1 here. So that should be the 0. So this also B110 satisfy the equation. This. Okay. So I hope that you understand. You can check yourself. Okay. So according to me, this is the correct. Okay. Now next, find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the points 0 3 0 and 2 1 minus 1 and whose center lies on the line x minus y minus z is equal to 0 is equal to twice x plus 3y. Okay. Now same thing here. Okay. Solution. Let O U V W be the center of the sphere passing through the points A 0 3 0 and B 2 1 minus 1. We'll check the point. Okay, so this is points are what? 0 3 0 0 3 0 2 1 minus 1. Okay, so therefore OA is equal to OB. Therefore OA square is equal to OB square. Right? So we write this for U minus 0 square V minus 3 square W minus 0 square is equal to U minus 2 square V minus 1 square W plus 1 square. Okay, now note that this U square, V square, W square get cancelled. Okay, so here what only this is what minus 3V minus 6V plus 9 is remains. Okay, so this is minus 4U plus 4 plus 4. This is minus twice V. V square get cancelled because it is on the left side also. So this is what minus twice V plus 1 plus twice W plus 1. Okay, so I will shift UVW to this side. So this here what then minus twice V. For U this is minus 6V. Okay, oh not, there is no U, so 4U is here because there is no U here. This minus twice V here, then this is what minus 4V. Minus 4V minus twice W is equal to, so this is what 6, this is what 6 and 9 is there, so this is minus 3. So 9 is there, 9 is there. Okay, I will call this as 1 now. I will call this as 1. Okay, okay, now I'll call this as 1. So whatever I have given, your center, we get a relation of UVW, one relation. So this is what 3 unknown, we must get a 3 equation in terms of UVW. So here given the equation, the center lies on the line. Okay, so O UVW lies on the line, x minus y minus z is equal to 0 is equal to twice x plus 3y. Therefore we have, so line is unsymmetrical form, no problem for this one. Okay, so now this is what u minus v minus w is equal to 0. We get a one relation among u v w. Okay, so now the second is what, twice u plus 3v is equal to 0. So this is 3. Okay, now we have to solve this equation simultaneously. We have to solve this equation simultaneously. Okay, so what we will do, this is the relation between two variables. So what we do, we'll find the value of w here and we'll put the value of w here, then we'll solve this. Okay, so 2 implies w is equal to u minus v. W is equal to, just w is shifted today, w is equal to, so we'll put the value of w in 1. Okay, so 1 implies 4u minus 4v, 4u minus v minus 2u minus v is equal to minus 3. Okay, so this is what 4u minus twice u is twice u. So this is what plus twice. So this is what minus twice v is equal to minus 3. Okay, now twice u is there. So this is 4. Twice u is here now. So this is what twice u plus 3v is equal to 0. So this is your 3 now. This is your 3. What will do? So minus. Okay, so this is what minus 5v is equal to minus 3. So v is equal to 3 by 5. So v is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, we get a value of v. So we'll find the value of u from this relation. We'll find the value of u from this relation. Okay, so u is equal to what? U is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 v. So that is what then? So this is what minus 3 by 2 means v is 3 by 5. So that is minus 9 by 10. Minus 9 by 10. Okay. So u is minus 9 by 10. So now your w is what? W is equal to u minus v. So minus 9 by 10 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So you can multiply by 2. Okay. So minus 9 minus 6. Minus 9 minus 6 is minus 15. Minus 15 by 10. So I can write this is what? minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Okay, so I can write this as minus 3 by 2. Okay, so you got the center, okay. So therefore o u is what, minus 9 by 10. Your v is what, your v 3 by 5, and this is what, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 is the center of the sphere, So radius, we will find a radius. So radius what? We will use simply OA now. OA. This is what? Root of. Okay. Minus 9 by 10 bracket square. 3 by 5 minus 3 square. Minus 3 by 2 square. We are not simplifying this. Will not evaluate this because no need to waste our time. Okay. By center radius form. Equation of sphere is so what, x minus x plus now x plus, okay, y minus 3 by 5 square z plus 3 by 2 square is equal to radius square. So this is what, minus 9 by 10, you may write 9 by 2 square plus 3 by 5 minus 3 square plus minus 3 by 2 square. Now see this 9 by 10 square, 3 by 5 square, 3 by 2 square here, so they get cancelled. Okay, so we will collect only the middle term now, x square plus y square plus z square. We will collect here the middle term only. So plus 18 by 10 x minus 6 y by 5 y plus, so this is what, 3z. We will directly write 3z. Okay, so now this 9 by 10 square get cancelled. Only what we have to, this also get cancelled. Only I have to collect the middle term. So that is what, minus 18 by 5. So the product is minus 9 by 5. So minus 18 by 5 and plus 9 now. Plus 9. Okay. So now we'll multiply by 10. So this is what, x square y square plus z square plus 18x plus 18x. So minus 12y. You are multiplying by 10. So this is 2 here plus 30z is equal to minus 36. Okay. You are multiplying by 10 plus 90. Okay. So this is what, then x square plus y square plus z square plus 18x minus 12y plus 30z plus 30z. So this is what, then 54. This is plus 54. So this is minus 54 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the required equation of the sphere. Okay. So bicentral equisphere. Okay. So this is the required equation of the sphere. You can check whether this is correct or not. Just check this, whether these 2 points satisfy the equation or not. Okay. If these 2 points satisfy the equation, so then you are correct now. Okay. Next we will solve one more problem. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the points 1, 1, 2. Passing through the point 1, 1, 2 and 0, 2 and 0, 2, 0, minus 2, 1, and whose center lies on the line x minus 1 is equal to 2 minus y is equal to z plus 1. Okay. So on the same line we have solved this. Okay, the previous one. Okay, so let UVW be the center of the sphere passing through the points A 1, 1, 2 and B 0, minus 2, 1. So therefore OA is equal to OB. OA square is equal to OB square. So this is what? U minus 1 square, V minus 1 square, W minus 2 square, U minus 0 square, V plus 2 square, W minus 1 square. Okay, so U square, V square, W square get cancelled. Just we will write the middle term and the last term. So this is what? Minus twice U plus 1, minus twice V plus 1, minus 4W plus 4. Okay, so you are writing only the middle term and the last, because the first the square of the first one, square of the first one get cancelled here. So these U square get cancelled. So this is what? 4V plus 4V minus twice W plus 1. Okay, so we will shift U V W to this side. So this is what? Minus twice U minus 6V minus 6V minus twice W is equal to. So here constant is 5. So here constant is what? 1. Here constant is 6 now. So constant is 6 here. Constant is 6 here and here 5. So this is what? Minus 1. I change the sign of all now. Plus 6V plus twice W is equal to. I call this as 1 now. Okay. Now your center lies on OUVW, lies on the line, x minus 1 upon 1. I write this. Okay. So y minus 2 upon minus 1. So z plus 1 upon 1. I write in this way. Okay. Because what 2 minus y is there, it is easy to find. Okay. So therefore we have u minus 1 upon 1, v minus 2 upon minus 1 upon minus 1 minus 1, w plus 1 upon 1 is equal to r sec. Okay, so this is what, then u is equal to r plus 1, v is equal to minus r plus 2, w is equal to r minus 1. Okay, so now 1 implies. We'll put UVW in 1 now. So twice u. Okay, so 2 into your u is what? R plus 1 plus 6. Your v is what? Minus r plus 2 plus twice w. Your w is what? R minus 1. Your w is r minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, is equal to 1. Okay, so we'll collect the r now. So this is twice r minus 6r. So minus 6r plus twice r. So this is what? Minus twice r now. This is what? Minus twice r. Now we'll collect the constant. So this is 12. This 2 get cancelled. This is what? Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. This is 12. 1 minus 12 is minus 11. So r is equal to 11 by 2. Your value of r is 11 by 2. So do this correctly. If you made a mistake somewhere here, you get a wrong answer. Okay, so do this honestly. Okay, so check again and again for that one. Okay, so r is 11 by 2. So now u is equal to r plus 1, 11 by 2 plus 1. So this is what? 13 by 2. Okay, so v is equal to minus 11 by 2 plus 2. So minus 11 plus 4 is minus 7. So minus 7 by 2. And w is equal to 11 by 2 minus 1. So this is what? 9 by 2. So this is 9 by 2. Okay, so therefore O, what is u? 13 by 2. What is v? Minus 7 by 2. What is w? 9 by 2. So 13 by 2 minus 7 by 9 by 2 is the center of the sphere. Okay, so now we don't build this. Okay, so we got the center. Now it is easy to find the radius of the sphere. Okay, so radius is equal to which one is see 0 is here. We'll take the benefit of this 0 now. So this is what OB will find. Okay, root of, so what? 13 by 2 minus 0 square. Okay, minus 7 by 2 plus 2 square plus 9 by 2 minus 1 square. Okay, we are not simplifying this, keep as it is now. By center it is formed, by center radius form, because this is not our aim to find the radius and this. Our aim is what? To find the equation of the sphere. So no need to simplify this. Okay, by central form, equation of the sphere is x minus 13 by 2 square, y plus 7 by 2 square, z minus 9 by 2 square is equal to 13 by 2 square minus 7 by 2 plus 2 square, 9 by 2 minus 1 square. Okay, so now here what? 13 by 2 square, 13 by 2 square is here, 7 by 2 square is here, 9 by 2 square, 9 by 2 square is getting it. Okay, so cancel. We will connect only the first term and the middle term. Okay, so this is what? X square plus y square plus z square minus the product is what? 13x. The product is what? 7y. Is 7y. Okay, so then the product is what? Minus 9z is equal to, so 13 by 2 square get cancelled. Okay, the product now here. Okay, so the product is what? So 2 get cancelled here, so minus 7 is the product. You have to take the double of that one, so minus 14 plus 4, then the product is what? Product is minus 9, so minus 18 plus 1, so this is what? X square plus y square plus z square minus 13x plus 7y minus 9z. So how many so this is minus 10 now. This is what? Minus 10. So minus 10. So minus 28 plus 1 is minus 27. So this is what then? Plus 27 is equal to oh, something is wrong here. Okay, oh, this is not 18 now. The product is what? Minus 9 by 2. Okay, so the product is what? Minus 9 now, because what here? The product is minus 9 by 2 and you have to multiply by 2, then this is what? Minus 9. Okay, so now this is what then? So this is what? This is 5. So this is minus 4, minus 18 now. This is minus 18. So plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, so take the care of this one now here. Okay, so you have to take the care everywhere while simplifying this. Okay, if you made a mistake, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, so so this is your required equation of the sphere. Okay, now next we will find the equation of the sphere passing through the points 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 3 1 2 3 1 2 and minus 1 0 2 and whose center lies on the plane now, lies on the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 4. Okay, so same thing here, the idea of the center is given. We'll find by center radius form equation of the sphere. Okay, so let O U V W be the center of the sphere passing through the points. We'll give the name A 1 1 1. Okay, so B 3 1 2 and C minus 1 0 2. Okay, we'll check the points once again. So 1 1 1 3 1 2 minus 1 0 2, so that it is easy to compare with the solution. Okay, so therefore what? OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. Therefore OA square is equal to OB square is equal to OC square. Okay, so first we will take OA square is equal to OB square. First we'll take OS square is equal to V square. So this is what then U minus 1 square, V minus 1 square, W minus 1 square. Okay. So then this is what U minus 3 square, V minus 1 square, W minus 2 square. Okay. Now U square, V square, W square get cancelled. So what we get then? Minus twice U plus 1, minus twice V plus 1, minus twice W plus 1. So this is minus 6U plus 9, minus twice V plus 1, minus 4W plus 4. Okay. Now we shift this UVW to this side. So this is minus twice U. This is 6 minus 6U plus 6U. So this is what? 4U. Okay. This is minus twice V. This is minus twice V. Get cancelled. Okay. So very nice for that. So this is minus twice W. So this is minus 4W plus 4W. So plus twice W. E is equal to. So here what? The constant is 3. So here what? The 9 plus 1 is 10. 10. This is 14. 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. Okay. We'll call this as 1. Okay. So this is 11 now. Okay. So now we'll take OS square is equal to OC square. So this is what? U minus 1 square, V minus 1 square, W minus 1 square is equal to. This is what? U plus 1. You have to take care everywhere. V minus 0 square plus W minus 2 square. So U square, V square get cancelled. So this is what? Minus twice U plus 1, minus twice V plus 1, minus twice W plus 1. So this is what? U plus 1. Okay. So twice U plus 1. V square get cancelled. Minus 4W plus 4. W plus 4. Okay. I will write it here now. I will connect this. This is minus 2U. This is plus twice U is here. Then minus twice U. Minus twice U. Minus twice U is minus 4U. So this is what? Minus 4U. How many V? There is no V. So this will be, we add this now. This twice V. Then this is minus twice W. This is minus 4W. It become plus 4W. Become plus twice 2W. 2W is equal to. Here constant is 3. Here constant is 5. So 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. You can divide by 2. So this is minus twice U minus V plus W is equal to 1. We will call this as 2. We will call this as okay. Okay. Next what? So UVW lies on the plane. Okay. So O UVW lies on the plane. On the plane. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 4. Therefore we have what? So U plus V plus W is equal to 4. So I call this as 3 now. I call this as 3. Call this as 3. So what I will do? I will multiply by 2. Okay. So what? 2 plus 3 gives. 2 plus 3 gives. Okay. If you take the addition of this one, your VB get cancelled. So this is what then? Minus U plus twice W is equal to 5. Minus U plus twice W is equal to 5. I can call this as 4 now. I can call this as 4. Okay. Now this is here. So now this I will write just one here now. 4U plus twice W is equal to 1. This is 1 now. So I will subtract this. Because what? The coefficient of W is same now. So now here the method is unimportant here. We want only the value of UVW. You can solve this 1, 2, 3 by the matrix method, Cramer's rule, or whatever this method is known to you. That you with that method you can find the solution of this equation 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the method is unimportant here. Okay, we want the correct value of u with w. So this is what minus 5u is equal to. So this is what minus 11. This is the minus 11 and plus 5. So minus 11 plus 5 is minus 6 now. Is minus 6. Okay. So therefore u is equal to 6 by 5. Therefore u is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. Now I want the value of v now. How I can find the value of v? So before v, we don't have direct v. So to find v, first we'll find a w now. First we'll find w because we have w here, or w is also here. Okay. So twice w is equal to 5 plus u. 5 plus u. So u is 6 by 5. 5 plus 6 by 5. So this is what 25, 31 by 5. So w is equal to 31 by 10. W is equal to 31 by 10. Okay. Now you have to find the value of v now. So this is simple one. Okay. So v is equal to what? 4 minus u minus v. This is the simple. Okay. So 4 minus 6 by 5. Your u is 6 by 5 minus w now this is. Okay. So minus 31 by 10. So this is what? 40 minus 12. You have to multiply by 10. Here you have to multiply by 2. Minus 31 by 10 by 10. So this is equal to what? This is the this is what? 31 and 12. Okay. So this is 3. This is 43. So minus 3 by 10. So this is minus 3 by 10. Okay. So you got the center and radius of the we got the center. Okay. So therefore O 6 by 5 is u. 31 by 10 is no, 31 by 9 minus 3 by 10 and 31 by 10 is your w. No need of this now. Is the center of the sphere. Okay, so radius. So which one is the simpler? This one is the simpler. Okay, OC. OC. We'll find OC now. So this is what? 6 by 5 plus 1 square. We are not simplifying this. Minus 3 by 10 minus 0 square. Then 31 by 10. 31 by 10 minus 2 square. Okay. We are not simplifying this. By center radius form. By center radius form. The equation of sphere is what? X plus 6 by 5 bracket square y minus, this is minus y plus 3 by 10 bracket square z minus 31 by 10 bracket square is equal to 6 by 5 plus 1, this is plus 1 bracket square minus 3 by 10 square 31 by 10 minus 2 bracket square. Okay. So now just simplify this. So now see this 6 by 5 square, 6 by 5 square is there. Okay. So and this is what? 3 by 10 square, 3 by 10 square is there. So we are not simplifying this, we are not expanding this. Only we will here what? We will collect the first term and the middle term, and then we will collect the middle term and the last term. Okay. So that we will do. So now here what? X square plus y square plus z square minus 12 by 5x plus 3y by 5, 3y by 5. You have to take the twice of that one. Okay. So twice of that one, 3 by 5 minus 31 by 5 z, minus 31 by 5 z. Okay, so now here the product is 6 by 5. You have to double of that one. So this is what 12 by 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 by 10 square get cancelled. Okay, so here you have to multiply by this. Multiply by this. This is what 31 by 5. 31 by 5. Product is what 31 by 5 minus 31 by 5. Okay, so minus 31 by 5. You have to take this double of that one. 62 by 5. Okay, plus 4. Plus 4. Okay, so we'll simplify, no problem. So what is this? This is x square plus y square plus z square minus 12 by 5x plus 3 by 5y minus 31 by 5z is equal to. Okay, so now this is 5. This is 5. So 62 minus 12 is a 50. Is 50. Okay, this is minus 50 by 5. So minus 10. So this is what then? Minus 10. Minus 10 plus 5. Minus 10 plus 5. Here we made a mistake somewhere. This should be plus 25. Your point is what? Minus 1. Oh, minus 102. Minus 102. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, no problem for this one. Okay, so we'll check this. This is what? 6 by 5, 12 by 5 plus 1. This is the correct. Okay, so now, so this is what? Product is what? Minus 31 by 5. So minus 31 into 2, that is the 62 by 5. That is also correct. 4. Okay, so now, okay, so this is what then? This is what? 12 by minus 50. So minus 50 by 5. So this is what? Minus 10 plus 5. Okay, so this is minus 5. This is what? Minus 5. Okay, so now we'll multiply by 5 now. So this is what? 5x square plus 5y square plus 5z square minus 12x plus 3y minus 31z, and this is what? Minus 25. So plus 25 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the sphere. Okay, so we have seen some complicated examples on this. Okay, so I hope that you understand this one, how to find the equation of the sphere passing through 3 points and the condition is given on the center. Okay, so I hope that you understand all those things. Okay, so we'll stop here.